Hey guys, so Lotsa Style was kind enough to send me this magnetic holder, and I think that it's going to be the perfect addition to any craft room or maybe in the kitchen on the side of the fridge to hold paper towels, or maybe in the bathroom to hang hair bands, hair accessories, or even hair tools like a hair straightener or curling iron. But of course, I'm going to be using mine on my Hudson cart. But I do love the idea of using it in the kitchen on the side of the fridge to hold paper towels, especially because it's such a clean and sleek look. And the magnet on the back is really strong, so you won't have any issues with it falling down or with it moving all over the place, whether you're using it in the kitchen or anywhere else in your home. This holder is available in both black and white, and it does measure 9.7 by 2.2 by 2.0 inches, so it's not too big and not too small either. So all that I'm going to do is place it right on my Hudson cart, and it's truly that simple. You don't need any sort of tools, and you also don't need to drill any sort of holes, which is a huge bonus because I just hate making any type of holes in my house. But I also think that this holder looks so perfect next to my Lotsa Style shelf that's also holding my Lotsa Style countertop trash bin. So over the past year, my Planything washi collection has grown, and I was actually looking for a way to store them. So this holder came in at the perfect time, and because winter and the holiday season are right around the corner, I know that I'll be needing them in the next few weeks. So I love that they're easily accessible. That way I won't forget where I place them, and they're ready to go for when the time is right, because I do tend to shove things here and there and then I can't find anything. So I do like this idea much better. I was also thinking that I could place this container with my favorite pens or highlighters and simply just hang it right on the holder itself. That way I can have my sticker books, my washi tape, and highlighters all together in one place. And when I'm done planning, I can just simply place all of my scraps inside of the trash bin. So I just love that everything is in one place. I did pick up this pen holder at IKEA, but Lotsa Style also carries them, and I believe that they did just restock them. So definitely take advantage that Lotsa Style is your one-stop shop for all of your cart needs. So I love that I'm able to display some washi along with some highlighters or pens, or I can simply just display my favorite or most used washi tape. Either way, whatever you choose to use it for, it's going to be amazing. So definitely take advantage that Lotsa Style was able to provide a coupon code for you guys to save 30% off, and the code is 30Stephany. But I'll go ahead and have all of this information down in the description box below. So definitely grab one for yourself or as a gift to someone this holiday season. But if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.